Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and enjoying your weekend. This weekend, I came to camp by the seaside. At night, everything was quiet. Cool wind, the sound of waves hitting the shore, and in that moment, I thought of a type of video that gets millions of views on YouTube. Videos about scary stories, horror, ghost stories, and mysteries. Many people listen to these videos before going to sleep. So the question is, can we create this kind of video by ourselves? The answer is yes. You don't need to write long scripts. You don't need to record your own voice, and you don't need to show your face. You only need AI. Today, I will show you how to create scary story videos using AI. It's simple, fast, and you can start right away. First, go to YouTube and look for a video that matches your idea or niche. Choose a video with a good story and atmosphere. Then, copy the video link and paste it into a YouTube transcript tool. Click Generate Transcript. In a few seconds, you will receive the full text from that video. Next, copy the transcript and paste it into ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the story in a new way, keeping the same feeling but making it original and unique. Once ChatGPT generates the story, copy the prompts one step at a time. Follow each step carefully until the end. I will show you everything clearly so you don't get confused. After that, paste the prompt and choose the video length. ChatGPT will ask if you want a long or short story. For this tutorial, we choose 3 minutes. Once the story is ready, the next step is to create the voice. Use AI voice tools such as 11 Labs or any other AI voice generator you prefer. Choose a voice that sounds calm, natural, and easy to listen to. After generating the voice, we move on to creating image scenes. For the full story, you can use 20 images or more. ChatGPT will help you generate detailed image prompts that match each part of the story. You can create the images using AI VO or other AI image tools. Now you have both the voice and the images. Next, we create scary or atmospheric background music using Suno. This music adds emotion and makes the video more immersive. After that, we start editing the video. We arrange the images, sync the voice, and adjust the music to match the scenes. Once editing is complete, we create the title, write the YouTube description, and design an eye-catching thumbnail. Everything is now ready. Upload the video to YouTube and publish it. I hope all of you can follow these steps, create your own videos, and achieve success.